over. All you can see now is...
Did I hear you right? This one I like?
Oh. These two, there's two heads.
Can I go? Keep your feet away from my gear, away from my pedals. Ate a ton of it.
Don't want them on me. Roll your window up all the way. Yeah. Mom, roll it up all the way.
You get hot.
In here.
So if it's all the way, you'll get hot.
Move your foot.
Yeah, Lily says move your feet. Do not touch it again.
We can't have it up. It's too damn hot.
Keep your feet back. Mom, she's not.
Put them down.
Feet back. How far do we gotta go next? We was in it and it flied. When I was sleeping. My goodness.
You can see this.
I'm gonna have to sit up here. Ew, gross! Nasty. Mommy, can you But if it flies it by itself again, it's not gonna do that.
I don't know if it's better to keep my foot
Cannot
in.
see him. Hi, Daddy!
Hi, baby.
Can he hand you his shirt?
Yeah.
That's my daddy can get out his shirt. We're gonna jump over his head. Mom.
I gotta switch feet. I can't take it no more.
I can't. That's nice. That's nice.
Oh, you're shaking me.
I'm not shaking you.
You're shaking me. There it goes. It's getting away.
Oh, I want to pet it one. Take him, Willie. Take him. Look, good job. Don't let him fall. Don't let him fall. Let him touch it. Come on. Let him get on you, Lily. He's going to dig. Come
Sit.
on.
Sit back. We're going.
Go, go, go. Go, Dad. Come on, come on.